Guys, so today we're just gonna do a quick breakdown on for GBP USD. So in the past weeks we've seen that GBP USD has been in a sell trend. We've been having this massive sell-off. It actually started around May of last year. So we've been having this sell-off all through. So so we can see price trending massively downwards here, and so we're having this structural these structures on the weekly time frame. So here we had this low, price broke the low, came back to retest. Then we had a break of this low, we broke, price came back to retest. So we also have a break of this low, price also came back to retest this low that was broken. So we have currently, this is our current weekly structure, because we need two candles together to have a market structure. Excuse me. So this is our current weekly high, and this is our current weekly low. So when price was here, we have two candles, two green candles. So that we're now going to go to the next lower time frame, which is our daily. And clearly right here also you can see that price made an attempt to continue the downward trend. Right, currently we're having a break of this structure. So this downward trend couldn't continue. So we now have a break of this trend line and a break of structure. Officially on the weekly time frame, GBP USD is now in a buying trend. So we're making a switch. So, and I see price coming back to retest this weekly high first. So price is coming to retest this weekly high. Maybe once price retest the weekly high, we're gonna have a massive drop again to retest this low. So price is coming back there to retest this low, then we will now come back to this high. So this is my outlook for now on this pair. So I'm anticipating this type of move. So, and it's all pending, it's still pending for the moment. So we're gonna go to the next lower time frame, which is our daily, and we start the analysis from here, from this low. So on the daily, we from this weekly, actually from this weekly time frame, we having this low, price pushed up, give us this new low, give us this high, give us this low. So price came back to retest here. Though we're having a break, price started dropping, but then suddenly price came back again and broke this high. So this was supposed to continue dropping, but here we have a break of structure. We have a break of structure, pull back. Now we have continuation to the upside. So GU is confirmed a buying trend at the moment. So this buy is coming into this previous weekly high. So it's coming here, like as I explained from that weekly time frame. So we're coming here, and price will drop to retest this high. Price is coming down to retest here. From there, price will come back to this weekly high. So let me take out this ones. So as we can see from this trend line that I drew from the weekly chart, see how this trend line price has been respecting it. Each time price hits, it drops. Each time price hits, it drops. So we've now had a breakout. So price will come back to retest it. Not necessarily. Price is coming back to retest this structure. Price is coming to retest that structure. So I'm expecting price to come back into this zone. So this is gonna be this is where I'm anticipating to have a daily low. So we have our daily low, daily high, daily low, daily high, daily low. So we have a daily structure here. Price is now pushing up to come to this weekly high, but I don't expect price to come up to make 100% pullback. So I am anticipating price to come back to the test, like 50% pullback. If you use the Fibonacci retracement tool, so I'm anticipating about this region, about this 50%. Yeah, between 50 and 61% pullback. So this is the move. Then let's go to the next lower time frame, which is going to be the gauge 4 time frame, to see the zones that price will be respecting while price is pushing up. So the zones, we're going to take them out from this drop here. So H4. So on our H4 price, let me expand this thing a little bit. So on our H4, on this H4 time frame, the zones where I expect price to respect, starting from this weekly high. So here, I join it up. So for my H4, I use blue color to indicate the color. Then for my daily, I use red, and for the weekly, I use orange. So this is the next zone. Then this area, this zone too. This I think this one is within, this one right here is within this. What I mean, it's so we have this price pushed up. We have this low. We have this here. Well, let me just indicate that one, just in case, for safety. Let me just mark it out. Let's mark out this one. So this one, this one is already covering for it too. So let me just mark out, even though this is within the same zone. So the same structure. Let's just get this one out. So the next one, this one. Okay, so price is already here. So price is already here. Price already broke. Looks like I'm missing something. This was our daily high. This was the daily high. Let's go to daily. Yeah, so this was our previous daily structure. So this was the daily high and this was the daily low. So but then please don't get confused with this one for now. This was our daily structure. So but we have a break of structure. So we have it. Let me now go to H4. So price. So this was our daily. We had a daily high here. So price already broke this daily high. Small for easy identification. So price. So you can see that price came to this daily high, drop to retest here. Price dropped to retest here. Yeah, this region. So price already broke this. Price came to this our daily high, then there was a drop to retest this structure, this H4 structure. Then from there we had a push up to the upside into this current zone. So I'm expecting this zone to hold and for price to come back to retest this daily. So this our daily. This daily is going to turn to H4 low. So and we can only find that on the next lower time frame. We can only find that on the next. So price is currently in this zone. So I'm expecting price to price already hit that zone. It's dropping already to retest this. So it's like break and retest. So I'm expecting price, since price is here already, price come back to retest this daily, our previous daily low. Then from here, I'm expecting price to come up all the way here. So from there, price will come back to retest this zone again. Then price will broke up into this next structure, then to retest here. Then coming fully into the weekly into the weekly high. So this is the move I'm anticipating going into the week. Yeah, this is the move I'm looking out for going into this move here. So let's see what's happening here currently on this zone. And we can find that out once we drop to next lower time frame. And let's say we'll go to 5 minutes. So the price is already in this zone. And this is the zone I'm expecting price to retest before going to the next zone. So you can excuse me, the little allergy. So you see that we are already having this. Let me start it off from here. Let me start it off from here. So when price came to this daily high, when price came to this daily high, so we had a sharp drop because price was coming to retest this zone. Price gave us this structural high, broke this low, price pulled back, gave us this low. So now we have a break of structure, break of this structure, we had a pullback, then we have a continuation with the upside. So price came back to this daily, and we now have a breakout of this daily structure. So price gave us this, price have a sharp drop, price broke this structural high, then we had like a 100% pullback. So this is now our current structure. This is a 100% pullback. Then we have a continuation. This is still within this zone. Then we had a continuation to the upside. So we had also price made a sharp drop again, still 100% pullback, even after this breakout. And all these moves are happening between, this is the Friday, this range, they are happening on Friday. And this was happening between the hours of my 4 a.m. to 8 a.m. So I usually stay out of the market by this time of the day. So, but then once price came back to retest this moving average, we had it price now pushed back up, give us this low, then give us this high, now the sharp drop, then see that we have this high, now this drop. So we are back, price came back into this zone because we're paying attention to this zone. I need to zoom this thing out. So we now have a break of structure, break of this structure, pull back. So I'm expecting a sell-off at least to this low. Let me zoom this down. Sorry. So this is what I was explaining. This is what I was explaining. That from this moving average, we had this current structure. So from here, we had a sharp drop, two candles together. I didn't use this because this was just one candle, but there's a structure here. But I didn't use that. So we had this low, and then we had a continuation to the upside. Two candles has to be together. So this is a structure on 5 minutes time frame. So from here, we had this low, and we have a new high here, structural high on the 5 minutes time frame. Then from there, we have this low, we have a breakout of this high, and this was the low. So this is our current structure. Then price pullback made an attempt to continue to the upside, but remember this zone, we're paying attention to this zone. On this zone, we now have a break of structure, break of this our structure. Then our price now pull back. You see, they're already in a continuation, we're already in a sell, we're already in a confirmed sell to the downside. So as it stands, this is now our current high, So, well, I can temporarily leave this here for now. So my setup for a market open from ASEAN section today being Sunday 13th of November 2022. This is my setup, and my stop loss will be just right on top of this high right here. So I'm risking about, I think it's about 1:5, almost 1:6. 1:6. Yes, about 20 pips. Then the TP one, for the TPs, you take them out from the 1 hour time frame. So on this 1 hour time frame, my TP1 is gonna be here, this resistance, and the next TP, we are expecting price to come and retest this daily high. So the next TP will be somewhere around this top, but I want to push it up here, push it up to this area. So that will leave us with that will leave us here as our TP2. So we have TP1, TP2. So I'm expecting a buy from this zone. Once price come back into this our daily zone, I'll be expecting a break of structure to continue the buy. And the next buy, I'm expecting a big buy to this next zone. That will probably be from Monday and Tuesday. So I'm expecting a big buy off from somewhere around here. So this is not the two. I need a ruler. So I'll be expecting a buy to into this about 300 pips move. It's around Monday, around Tuesday. Let's say from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So we should have had this. But I mean, for now, this is what we're looking at for at the moment. So that is it for now, guys. Therefore, I just add a trend line to this. So if I just add this simple trend line, you can see the behavior. Market was respecting this trend line. This. So price came back. We have a break of this trend line. Back, which is a retest. Then yeah.